Most free AI video tools give you 3 credits a day or put a watermark on everything or charge you after a few tries. This tool gives you unlimited free video generation with no watermark and no limits at all. Let me show you how. Go to Vibes AI using the link in the description and sign in with your Meta or Google account. Vibes AI is a completely free AI video generator. You can create videos from prompts, edit them, add music, extend clips, and combine multiple videos using a built-in timeline. There are no watermarks, credit limits, or usage limits. Let me show you how it works. Click Create New to start a new project. Enter a prompt describing the video you want. I'll create an animated Pixar-style elephant riding a bike. Open the Advanced tab and select the highest quality for the best results. If you want the same character to appear consistently across multiple videos, open Ingredients, click Character, and upload your character images. For now, we'll skip that and click Generate. Vibes AI creates 4 video variations. Wait a few moments for them to finish. Here are the 4 results. Just choose the one you like the best. After selecting a video, the Edit Video screen opens. On the right, you'll find several editing tools. Use Sync to Voice to automatically match your video with a voiceover. With Sync to Music, choose music from the built-in library and click Sync to Music to add it to your video. You can also use Extend. Auto Extend increases the clip from 5 to 9 seconds instantly, while Manual Extend gives you more control, keeping the same style and motion. You can click Download to save the video to your device. Now let us create another clip. I'll generate a lion driving an open jeep. Again, Vibes AI gives 4 options. Pick your favorite. Again, you can download it by clicking on the download button here. Now we have 2 videos ready. To combine multiple clips, click Timeline at the top. On the left, you'll see Add Media, Add Audio and Add Text. Click Add Media, choose Add from Project and select your generated clips. Use Add Audio to add voiceovers or background music across the entire video. Use Add Text to add text overlays with different effects, fonts and sizes. Preview a video, then click Post, add a caption, and click Post again to publish it directly to your Meta AI profile. After posting, click View Profile to see your video live. That's Vibes AI, a completely free AI video creator with unlimited video generation, music, clip extension, and a built-in timeline editor. No watermarks, no credits, no limits. The link is in the description. Try it out and let me know in the comments what you will create first. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe to Tweak Library, and I'll see you in the next one.